নমস্কার, সহজ হোমিও শিক্ষা ভিডিও নাম্বার 33. The name of the medicine is Causticum or caustic potash, chemically potassium hydroxide. This medicine is antisoric, antipsychotic and antisyphilitic. It is a polychrist remedy for chronic disease. Polychrist means this medicine can cure a diverse case of patients. So many qualities are there. This is prepared by reacting slacked lime, that is hydrated lime, calcium hydroxide and potassium sulfate, forming potassium hydroxide. It is a purely chemical compound, so it is a mineral remedy. We have some abstractive idea about mineral, that to be discussed in later cases. There are so many important remedies from potassium, that is Kalis. Latin name of potassium is Kali. There are Kalicarb, Kalibi, Kalisalp, Kalimute, Kaliiode, etc. Very important remedy for curing syphilitic patients, that is syphilitic diseases that are very obstinate and very difficult to cure. Okay, come to the point of constitution. Dark hair, rigid fiber, weak, soric, yellow color, affections of respiratory and urinary. Child, dark hair, delicate and sensitive. Mind, nervous, timid, anxious, apprehensive of impending misfortune. That is something going to happen dangerous for him. Concise, stricken as if he had committed a crime. He is thinking, I have did a crime. Full of fearful fancies. In twilight, that is at evening, when darkness is not appeared, she is fearful images when closing eyes, melancholy, taciturn, don't want to talk, distrustful, inclined to fit of anger with scalding, memory fails, hopeless, wants to die, over sympathetic for others' sufferings, very much sympathetic, weeps, loves, lacks control, has no control. This is very important point. Suspicious, insanity, that is madness. So much deepness of this medicine can cure mad as possible. Leading word of this medicine is paralysis. Every medicine has an important leading word that is explainable to all others. In case of Causticum, the leading word is paralysis. So the patient is have the paralytic weakness, gradually going to be paralyzed. In allopathic cases, doctors are used in large amounts of caustic potash for treatment. As a result, the patient becomes gradually weak. So, causticum has the weakening effect. Ultimately, he becomes paralyzed. This paralysis or paralytic effect affects voluntary and involuntary muscles. So, paralysis or paralytic weakness is our important word for this medicine. The patient of this medicine is hydrogenoid and silly. Hydrogenoid means attacked by damp or water or rain, and silly attacked by cold wind. It is like river, aconite, affected by cold wind. Paralysis of single part from single nerve. This is very peculiar. Local paralysis. Single nerve paralyzed to form the muscles to be paralyzed locally. And that's why ptosis, facial, tongue, vocal cord, bladder, rectum, extremities are accompanied. These local organs can be affected by local paralysis. Paralysis has the terms usually applied: convulsion, chorea cramps, starting, restless, twitching, contraction of legs or tendons, trembling. That is tendon contract. This is also another important word for this remedy. Causticum has the external property, not potentized, to burn the parts affected or make soak. So, the signature of this remedy is burning also and making sore on the muscles, and it is rawness there. That is soreness, rawness and burning is the signature, because material causticum produces these on the body if you touch it. And interestingly, this property reveals in potentized state. So the patient with ailments of burning, soreness, rawness, paralytic weakness, cured by this medicine, or may be cured by this medicine. Glandular induration, right-sided mode, has another property of this medicine, and restlessness. During night, the legs are constantly moving, no position is getting to sleep for a moment. So whole night the restlessness is going on. Also, the patient is so much weak because paralytic weakness. Because of the weakness of the patient may come from long-standing disease or long-standing grief, accumulation of mucus in larynx and faces, scatter of throat, difficult swallowing of liquid, constant sensation as if lying or burning in stomach. The things, the burning in stomach and which is attributed to lying. Obstinate constipation, stool covered with shiny coating of mucus, piles unbearable by walking, thinking or touch, passes stool based on standing, coughing, spells urine, involuntary. Sex appetite in women is very less, abolished. Indifference, constant. After period, after means the women becomes indifferent and sad during period. Period too early and too abundant. Rheumatism, stiffness joint and contract limbs. Another important thing is what of various kinds and various organs can be cured by this remedy as puja or dalkamara. What's on hands, face, especially margins of eyelids, fingertips close to nails. Nails are crippled, old, large, inflamed and indurated warts, burning, itching on face. Discharge acrid fluid which forms crust after effects of burn and scalds. It is an important medicine for burns. Remember this. Forearms, extremities, muscles are short to touch. Sudden severe pain in left hip joint lasts for short time. Feels as injured. Legs are sore, lower extremities ache and feel tired. Intermittent fever has the important character. Sweat coming after chill without intervening heat. Sweat after chill. Periodicity. Paroxysmal attack twice a day up to 4 weeks. Intense sympathy for others. Psychiatrists, especially after burns. Another medicine is there, Urticaria urens. Apprehension of impending danger with urgent stool like Argentum nitricum and gel. This is important to especially describe that he is ready to go anywhere, urging to stool. Very specific symptoms. Means too early, too feeble. Only during day. Ceases by lying. Better in damp. Coffee aggravates. Must not be used before or after phosphorus, because phosphorus is acidic and causticum is basic. So similar medicine can be used before or after, but dissimilar opposite medicine cannot be used. Okay? Causes burns, scald, fright, grief, sorrow, night washing, suppressed eruption, loss of sleep, sudden emotion, fear, fright, joy, anger. modalities, dry, cold wind, extremes of temperature, stooping, suppression of eruption, coffee, fat, exertion, change of weather, after stool, twilight, darkness, better, cold drinks, damp wet, warmth, washing, gentle motion, complementary. Mark, petrocell, mark core, carbovase, antidote, nux, antidote 2, late China, potency, 2 globules of 30 can act more than 50. So deep, so lower energy is safe. Higher energy can also be used in case of chronic disease. Thank you.